Today's tutorial is going to show you how to open and close one of these 5-in-1 reflectors. When you open it, you want to be careful that you get a grasp on both sides of it on the inside there so that it doesn't spring out when you're pulling it out. And what you'll do is grasping it from both sides as you slowly let it untwist itself, and then it kind of springs out. And this is a 5-in-1 reflector. The reason it's called 5-in-1 is because there are two outer surfaces. Right now I've got the silver side, and then there's a gold and silver side. And then if you unzip this, there is a removable and reversible cover that has all gold on one side, like this, and then has a white side. And what makes the fifth part of the reflector is this somewhat translucent side. You can use this as a reflector, or you can shoot a light through it to diffuse it a little bit. And to put it back on, just slide it in like a pocket. Make sure it's somewhat straight. And then it should come back onto the cover. And there you have it. Now, to collapse it, what you're going to do is you're going to take and put one thumb up and one thumb down. And you're going to pull the thumb that is up toward you, and you're going to push the thumb that is down away from you. And then it should just kind of twist into itself. It is not about using your strength, but it is just about using maybe a little bit of finesse. But don't push it together. Just one thumb up, one thumb down, and twist, and it should twist together. So that is how to open and close the 5-in-1 reflector.